Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to create controlling and dependent pick list in Salesforce, where I created controlling as a active pick list and dependent as a country pick list. So in this lesson, we will be seeing an example of how to create lookup relationships and lookup filter in Salesforce Lightning. Follow these steps to create lookup relationships and lookup filter in Salesforce Lightning. First, go to setup page of Salesforce. Then select object manager. Here I am creating a new child object. Name is student. Then we will be creating lookup relationship fields on student where parent object will be take W3 wave and child object will be student. So let's jump to my Salesforce org where we will be create lab demo example of lookup relationships and lookup filter in Salesforce Lightning. Before jump to my Salesforce credential org, let me explain about what is lookup relationship field and what is lookup filter in Salesforce Lightning. So friends, sometimes we are working on child object and need to fetch the data from parent object or sometimes inserting or updating the record from child to parent. In this case, we need to create lookup relationship or master data relationship in Salesforce. Lookup relationship always created on the child object. In lookup relationship, the lookup fields does not require. If parent record deleted, then child record does not deleted. In the lookup filter, you can set the particular filter criteria. In this lesson, we will be filtering record based on country name from lookup filter in Salesforce Lightning. So now let's jump to my Salesforce org where we will be see live demo example about lookup filter and lookup relationship in Salesforce Lightning. This is my Salesforce credential org. First, let me go to the setup. Then go to the object manager. Search your object name. My child object name is student. This one, click here. Go to the fields and relationship. Here I created two fields. First field is a lookup relationship field. And second field is a country. So country is a pick list value and lookup relationship is a take W3 wave. So this is a take W3 wave. It is a parent and this is a name of the fields. So if you go to the tab of the student, here I created 4 record. Go to the all. Here you can find name, country, and this is a lookup relationship field. So lookup relationship field always display as a link. So can it is a refer to the parent object record. So in this record there are two students belong from India, Manish and Vijay Kumar. One student Ravi belong from Australia and one belong from Canada. Now I am creating another one record. To create new, this is a write the name of the student. So the name of the student is Syam. And this is a country. So here you can see all of the country visual here. And you can check out the take W3 wave record. This is a refer to the record of the parent. So all of the record of the parent object display here. So if you select any of the country, suppose I select China, then here and here you can select the parent object record and save. So here I created another one record for the student. If you go to the view all, you will be get all of the fields name here. Now let me create a lookup filter on this object. So whenever I selecting only India, then this take W3 wave lookup filter will be displayed. If you selecting another one country, then lookup filter will be not display. If I set the criteria of the lookup filter, so lookup filter work based on the criteria base. So if I set the based on the India, then the lookup filter will be display. If I select another one country, the lookup filter will be not display. Lookup value will be not display. So let me go to the setup, object manager, fields and relationship, and there is a lookup filter. So right now there are no lookup filter criteria added here. Now go to the edit the page. Here lookup filter, show filter setting. Click here and here filter criteria. So here we can add the filter criteria. So right now I am adding the filter criteria based on the country. So in the field select student and student country. This one. Then operator is equal to value will be select your country name. So this is a lookup icon. Click here and set your country name. So here all of the country visible. So now I am selecting India and insert. Then save. So here I added one filter criteria for the student country. Now go to the student tab. Now I am creating a record of the student. Here you can see there are no lookup value display. Whenever I selecting the India, then lookup filter value will be display here. Here you can see all of the filter related to the parent object record display here. Whenever selecting another one country, suppose I am selecting China, there are no value will be display here. Because I am adding a filter criteria based on the India. Right now I am creating another one record for the student. So the name of the student is Mohan. Country I am selecting India. So here I am selecting country India. Then all of the value of the lookup relationship visible. And if I am selecting another one country, suppose I am selecting France. So the criteria will not match of the lookup filter. So there are no value will be displayed in the lookup field. So now I am selecting India. Then only lookup filter value will be displayed. I'm selecting Salesforce and save. So friends, in this lesson, we have to learn how to create a lookup relationship and how to add filter criteria on Salesforce Lightning. Try to do from your side in your personal org to create lookup relationship and lookup filter in Salesforce Lightning. If you getting anything issue, please write in comment box. To find my channel on YouTube, simply go on YouTube. In the search box, write Tech W3 Wave. Then click on Tech W3 Wave. Go to the videos. Here you will be get so many video related of the Salesforce scenarios. Here you will be find Lightning Aura component, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, Visual Force page, and many more that you working on the project in Office. Here I created step by step live demo scenario from basic to advanced level in Salesforce. So friends, support my channel, subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you so much.